How to delete a friend on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to delete a friend on TikTok. The first step is to open the TikTok application on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On the profile page, you will see different tabs such as Followers, Following, and Friends. Tap on the Friends tab to open it. Here, you will see the list of all your current friends on TikTok. Scroll through the list and look for the friend you want to delete. Once you find the account, tap on the name of the user to open their profile page. On the profile page, tap on the three dots or Profile Settings option. A menu will appear from the bottom of the screen showing different actions you can take. From this menu, tap on the option named Unfollow. This will immediately remove the person from your friends list. If you want to double-check, you can go back to the Friends tab, and you will notice that the person no longer appears in the list. The process is straightforward and only takes a few seconds. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to delete a friend on TikTok.